8 to 12 seconds of eye lead time is the best way to avoid side swipes at ramps. Watch for the traffic coming up, and especially watch for the second car. They always seem to jump out of line and try to get ahead. Watch this. See what I mean? And we're back in the middle lane. Then there's our reaction time. If you're looking 8 to 12 seconds ahead, you see the truck coming over. You see the trouble start, and this driver should have been on the brakes right away. But he didn't slow down in time.
Always get the big picture, drivers, and expect the unexpected. Just goes with the line of work we're in. Be careful out there.